And we begin with the X-class solar flare from yesterday. It came from the northern departing sunspot group, a relatively impulsive event that still managed to release a CME. It was tightly coiled and not aimed at Earth, but we have definitively entered another uptick period on our star. We should be expecting continued activity here for the days ahead as the sunspot groups are charging back into the Earth-facing positions from the incoming limb, and we'll have our eyes open for more CMEs. Over the last couple of days, we have seen several CMEs leave the Sun, and luckily, they have not been aimed at Earth. But we are hitting that part of the sunspot maximum, where the plasma eruptions are more and more numerous. In addition to this generalization about the Sun, there's one active region I'm particularly watching as it appears severely violent in terms of its localized magnetic field activity. It might be hard to spot with the flare and coronal hole stealing some attention. The coronal hole solar wind stream is due at Earth tonight or tomorrow, by the way, but on the incoming quadrants, you can notice one active region definitively more unsettled than the others. The coronal activity here hopefully dies down today, because if it doesn't, it's going to produce significant flaring activity. We'll have eyes on it. We're also seeing the continued seismic uptick. 6.9 struck the Kermadec Islands of the far northern New Zealand territory overnight. Here's to hoping those pressure releases continue to hit areas where they're just not as dangerous.